Then parameter is the one way for defining a function. Another is what without access specifier you can define is the first part, is the second part. Next is we have the third part. Third part is what now return type without parameter. Then access specifier without parameter. So what is the work of parameter? So it is used to pass and receive the data from method. Now I am giving a example like first I define here public void function name is show function and parameter suppose I define here int a. That is the first part. Second part is what first part example. Second part that is to then without parameter three part void show. The second part is return type means public is not there void so and here I pass as a string data type string a. Here only void show. And in fourth example is what public void show function and parameter. Okay, so it is a way of for defining a method. So once where the method will define, the method will define in a class. Suppose class demo method. In class I have to define suppose a function void show function. Then this function is called in the main method. Suppose here I define as main. I'm not given a proper name. I just given an example so that I define as a main. In main method, you need to create a object of class for calling the function. So how you have to create a demo. METH is the class name. I is the object. You can give any name equals to new demo METH. Is the way of creating a object of class. Class name I, new demo METH. So we are creating a object of class. Okay. So when you are creating a object of class, then through this object you call the show function. I dot show function. Okay. So the object we are calling a I dot show function. If it is not having any kind of parameter, then show function is used. Suppose if it is having a parameter, suppose show function parameter is what? If it is integer, then you pass as a 10. If it is having string function, one function we define as a parameter string, then you can pass here as a, here was hello. If, then there is a question if you have the two parameter, okay, like if it is contain string a and int b, then what happened? Then you have to mention here I dot show, then you can pass a value as 40. Okay, it is a way of uh, but defining the function and calling the function in the main method. So for calling a function, you need to create a object of class. Okay, and this is the thing that I have defined how you have to define a method and the syntax of your method. Now I'm showing a program where you can clear all your doubts. Here it is a program demo method. You said already the file is present. I move. So I just enlarge the font so it is clearly visible to you. Now check it. The demo method int a. As I have already told in the class, whatever the variable and function you have to define, that is your member variable and member function. Int a void show function. So this is a member function. Okay. If you notice that this function doesn't contain any parameters, then void display function it contains the parameter int b, then int x equals to b. Okay, so any variable that is defined inside a function is called as a local variable. First, I have created object of class. The demo method I equals to new demo method. I'm creating a object of class, and as we know that for calling the members, we have to create a object of class. So we are creating an object of class I dot a. So we are accessing the member variable. Member variable is a I dot a equals to 20. So in the member variable, we are initializing 20. Then we are calling a function I dot show function. So we are calling this function. Now here I am calling I dot display function. So when I call the display function, it contains what? It is an integer parameter. It contains a parameter. So that you need to pass a value. So here I pass the value 50. So it is initialized in the b. So from b it is now initialized in the x variable. Okay, it is initialized in the x. That variable we define inside a function so that it is a local variable and it is printing you it is a parameterized function. Then your value is 50. Plus is used for concatenation, means joining the two string or joining the two part by using concatenation. Okay, then I execute this program. So as we directly store the file in a D drive, we have to come out from the folder. So cd dot dot, then again cd dot dot, which is backing to you again drive. Then Java C demo method dot Java. Then Java demo method, only demo method. This for the execution. So showing you this is a member function. First what happened? First it is calling I dot show function. So it is showing you this is member function. Then again next part it is contained. This is I dot display function by passing a parameter 50. The 50 is stored in the B. From the B it is stored in the local variable X. Then it is display what? The parameterized function value is what? 50. Then lastly, this part is execute. It is showing you this is a member function. Member variable value is I dot A. It is printing you 20. 20 were initialized. Okay. Hope you understand this all concept. Next class we move to the constructor. Thank you.